everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabbox for the month of December. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you, Grabbox had two different variants. The first one is Mini-O-Grabox. The second one is the Jewel Grabbox. But I will be unboxing the Jewel, not the Jewel one, sorry. I will be unboxing the Mini-O-Grabox. So let's talk about that. The price for a monthly subscription is 279 rupees, so it's very, very, very affordable. And of course, I will be mentioning the link in the description box. And now let's quickly open it and see what all it has. So the first thing is this. This is the info sheet. It says December Mini-O-Grabox. On the other side, I have all the products here. So let's start with the first one. The first one is from S.F.R, a color. It's a pro highlight stick. The price for this one is 300 rupees and this is how it looks. Yeah, nowadays highlighting is like very in. So yeah, you need a perfect product for that, and you are getting this in Grabbox, which is nice. It's quite compact and very handy kind of a stick. So yes, I like it. 300 is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is from YANSE and it's a liquid lip shine, and this is how it looks. So yes, I love the packing. You can just see it's huge and like different kind of a packing. You just have to open it and then you can see your lip shade here. So this is like, I love the packing. And now this is the lipstick. Let me just show you the shade here. So it's a brownish kind of a shade, which you can obviously make out from here. Let me just show you the shade here. So this is how it looks. Beautiful shade. 400 is the price for this one, and of course a very useful product, and I love the packing. Now moving on to the third one, which is the star product in this box, and this is an international brand, and it's the name is D Hermosa. I think I'm pronouncing it right, and it says Born to Shine palette. This is the palette. And it's you can obviously see it's a eyeshadow palette here, and it has some shimmery colors as well. Let me just open this and show you the shades. These are the shades. You can just see it has total 6 shades, and this one is very, very, very shiny, very shimmery shade, you can say. Then this one is for highlighting purpose, and all different colors are here. Total 6 shades, of course, very useful thing, and it's an international product. So yes, I'm like getting an international product in my Grabbox, which is an amazing thing. So yes, I'm looking forward to use this one for sure. Price for this one is 500 rupees. Moving on to the next one. The next one is by MN, and this is an eyebrow pencil. The price for this one is 80 rupees. This comes with a brush here, eyebrow brush, you can say. And this is how it looks. It's a pencil, so yeah, it's a plain pencil. The color is black. 80 rupees is the price for this one. Now I'm left with the last one. The last one are these oxidized tassel earrings. You can just see this is the look, and I already have the same pair, I guess, almost the same pair. But I still love them because you can just see the color combination. They are like bright colors it has, and whenever you are going to wear them, they will going to add a very like brightness look, or give you a brightness actually to your overall look. So yes, I love it. 150 is the price, and this is the look. Let me wear the other one also. And that's all what I've received in my Mini-O-Grabox for December month. The total worth of all the product is 1430 rupees, whereas you are just paying 279 rupees only. And in that, this one, it's actually very nice because you are getting one highlighter stick, then you are getting an eyebrow pencil, then you are getting a lipper, then you are getting a beautiful palette, that too international brand in your box. Then of course these earrings are beautiful, so I guess yes, I love it. You should go ahead with this box. I will be mentioning everything in the description box, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye bye.